Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem files and securing them. Copy every corrupted photo and video to a separate external drive or cloud backup. This preserves originals so recovery attempts can't cause more harm. Once done, create a simple manifest listing file names, sizes, and timestamps so you can track changes. Make sure to include a checksum like MD5 or SHA1 for each copy. That way you'll know if later steps alter data unintentionally. Now you're ready to analyze file headers and metadata. You analyze file structure next because corrupted headers or containers usually break playback. Open files in a hex editor to confirm header damage, or run automated scanners that identify missing boxes for MP4/MOV or corrupted segments for JPEG/PNG. Then use targeted tools. Repair JPEG/PNG headers, extract intact frames, run FFmpeg to remux streams into a clean container, and rebuild XMP/EXIF metadata. Once scans report recovered streams, export to a new file, and compare checksums to your backup copies to verify integrity. You finish by validating recovered files and applying final fixes. Play repaired photos and videos on different players and devices to ensure compatibility. That reveals subtler corruption. If frames or segments are missing, apply frame interpolation or stitch intact segments to minimize visual gaps. Make sure to rerun checksums and compare to the manifest. If mismatches persist or critical data is unrecoverable, perform sector-level disk recovery or consult a professional recovery service. A key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.